Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to use Roblox voice chat on Xbox Series XS. Enable, mute and troubleshoot mic settings. How to use Roblox voice chat on Xbox Series XS. Step 1. Enable voice chat on your Roblox account. Open the Roblox app on your phone or PC and sign in. Go to settings, then account info. Verify that your date of birth is correct. Complete any required age verification process, ID verification, facial age estimation, or phone verification depending on your region. Navigate to settings, then privacy. Turn on use microphone to chat with voice. Step 2. Check Xbox microphone permissions. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Go to profile and system, then settings. Select account, then privacy and online safety. Open app privacy, then microphone. Ensure microphone access enabled for Roblox and other communication apps. Step 3. Join a voice-enabled Roblox experience. Launch Roblox on your Xbox Series XS. Join a game that supports voice chat such as Mic Up or other voice-enabled experiences. Look for the microphone icon in the game interface. Select the microphone icon to activate voice chat. A glowing microphone indicates your voice is being transmitted. A microphone with a slash through it means you are muted. Step 4. Mute or unmute yourself. Open the Roblox in-game menu. Locate the microphone or speaker icon next to your username. Select the icon to toggle between mute and unmute. Confirm the icon status before speaking. Step 5. Mute other players. Open the player list or look for player voice icons in-game. Select the speaker icon above a player's avatar or beside their username. Choose mute. The player's voice will be silenced while text chat remains available. Troubleshooting Roblox voice chat on Xbox. Step 1. Check cross-platform communication settings. Make sure cross-platform play and communication are allowed in your Xbox privacy settings. Some voice chat features rely on communication between Xbox, PC, and mobile players. Step 2. Verify your headset. Ensure your headset is properly connected. Check for a physical mute switch or flip to mute microphone. Test the headset in Xbox Party Chat to confirm the microphone works. Step 3. Confirm voice chat is enabled. Double check that use microphone is to chat with voice still enabled in your Roblox privacy settings. Step 4. Join a supported game. Not every Roblox experience supports voice chat. Test voice chat in a known voice-enabled experience. Step 5. Restart Roblox and Xbox. Close Roblox completely. Restart your Xbox Series XS. Launch Roblox again and rejoin the game. Step 6. Update Roblox and Xbox. Install any available Roblox updates. Check for Xbox system and controller firmware updates. Step 7. Reinstall Roblox. Uninstall Roblox from your Xbox. Restart the console. Download and install Roblox again. Sign in and test voice chat. Step 8. Contact Roblox support. If voice chat still does not work after trying the steps above, visit the Roblox support website. Sign into your Roblox account. Select technical support. Explain the issue and include your Xbox model. Submit the request and wait for a response from the Roblox support team. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.